taking this video is for you to guys see about this temple in Kalai. There have 12 animals in it. This is first red ox, tiger, rabbit, dragon, snake, horse, goat, monkey, chicken, dog, and pig. Their name is God of the Monkey Temple. There have a lot of monkey roaming around, and there, look at them. They have a fish, water pond, a lot of tortoise. Here is the place. Hey, what are you doing there? Huh? Calling.
Huh?
Go there. Papa calling you. Yeah, you are too.